Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down prerequisites so you can move fast. Decide local, cloud, or hybrid hosting based on latency and privacy requirements. Once decided, pick core models for speech-to-text, natural language understanding, planning, and optional vision. Make sure your dev environment is ready. Python 3. 10. A virtualenv and GPU drivers if you'll use acceleration. Then create a repo, initialize a package file, and scaffold a minimal service to accept input. This gets you into building immediately. Once the foundation exists, integrate the model APIs and connect streaming audio input to transcription, then route text to your NLU and completion endpoints. You should implement embeddings for semantic memory and a state manager that handles session context and long-term vectors. Make sure to orchestrate modules, an intent classifier, a planner that maps goals to actions, and an executor that calls APIs or device hooks. At this stage, add safety filters and rate limits so the system behaves predictably and securely. To finish, deploy iteratively. Validate locally, run a staging canary, then roll to production with feature flags so you can disable risky features. You'll add observability for latency, errors, cost per request, and model drift, and set automated alerts for anomalies. Make sure to implement backups for model checkpoints and a rollback plan in case updates break behavior. If things go wrong, check logs for context mismatches first, then reduce context window or revert the latest model change as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.